Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling measured ingredients so the chemistry is predictable. Precision matters. Melt butter and chocolate together until smooth, then cool to about 40 degrees so eggs won't scramble. Whisk eggs with vanilla, then add sugar briefly for aeration. Once done, fold flour and cocoa in 2 additions to preserve air. Use a spatula and stop when streaks disappear. Make sure not to overmix because gluten develops and ruins the tender crumb, which is essential for a lava center. You now move to assembly and temperature control, which create the volcano effect. Spoon batter into greased ramekins only to 3/4 full. That gives room for rise while preserving a molten middle. If you want extra goo, press a chilled ganache ball into each center. Place ramekins on a preheated tray and bake at 200 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the edges are set and the center still jiggles slightly, remove them. Let them rest briefly so the top firms but the core stays liquid. You finish by unmolding carefully so the molten center flows like a volcano. Invert each ramekin after 1 to 2 minutes and give the rim a gentle tap. Serve immediately with cold ice cream to amplify contrast in temperature and texture, and dust cocoa or powdered sugar if desired. If you find centers are overcooked, adjust by lowering oven temperature by about 10 degrees and decreasing bake time by 1 to 2 minutes. Alternatively, chill the ganache insert so it takes longer to melt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.